So I just got back from a really nice coffee date with a Power of Process alumni who comes from marketing. And we were talking about this idea of a different way of looking at marketing as an interior designer is this idea of partnerships and how you can actually partner with your trades and your vendors to grow your reach. You can also partner with other professionals, someone who, like me, teaches a course, or maybe a real estate agent. There are ways that you can do marketing without having to spend a ton of money. There's so much more impact available to you when you leverage those relationships, and you can partner with someone and you can each benefit. You could partner with your contractor and host an event. You could partner with a vendor and showcase their product in a project. There are so many ways that you can help each other and to grow your marketing, grow your reach, and grow your business. Have you tried this angle before, or have you been primarily focused on social media? Let me know in the comments below.